The SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor stands out with its multifunctional capabilities, offering a complete grooming solution with 5 interchangeable heads for shaving, trimming, and even facial cleansing. Its innovative 7D floating rotary blades are designed to adapt to the contours of your head, providing a comfortable and efficient shaving experience by maximizing contact with the skin. One of the standout features is the upgraded detachable design, which simplifies cleaning and maintenance by allowing the entire blade assembly to be easily removed and washed underwater. This electric razor is built to handle both wet and dry shaving conditions, thanks to its IPX7 waterproof rating, making it ideal for use in the shower or with shaving foam. With its Type-C quick charging capability, the razor offers up to 90 minutes of cordless use after just 1.5 hours of charging, and the LED display conveniently indicates the remaining battery level. The SHPAVVER razor's compact design and its ability to be charged via various sources, such as laptops or power banks, make it a perfect travel companion for maintaining a clean-shaven look on the go.